Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at task 17F. The question says, open the file saved in task 17E. The company LBC has been taken over and is now known as TBC, right? The company do not stock silicon thermalite blocks, but supply thermocool blocks. Change these products and save this document with the file name task 17F. Okay, so let's go and figure out where task 17E is. All right, so let's open task 17E. Let's save it as task 17. Save as task 17F, right? So let's do that. Right, good. So now we're going to use find and replace to do this. So we're going to replace, let me just copy this. We're going to replace LBC with TBC, right? Since the company has been taken over now, right? So we go to, so what I'm going to do from home tab, you want to go to replace from editing group here. So I want to click that. So I want to replace this. I want to replace LBC with TBC, right? So wherever, just see that TBC. So we have TBC here and we'll have it here. And I think we have it here also, right? So they are automatically going to be changed to TBC as we replace all. So let's click on replace all and see what happens. So all done. We made 3 replacements, so everything here, the LBC will change to what's it called, TBC. All right, so let's do for the second one. So of course silicon thermalite will be changed to thermocool. So let's do that also. So let's apply that now. So it's gonna be thermocool. If I'm correct, let's check the spelling. Let's be sure that everything is correct. So sorry, it's thermocool this time. Not it's thermocool. Did I pronounce thermocool? Thermocool, right? Thermocool. Yep. So I can also replace all, and then 2 replacements have been made. So good. So I think we close, and then that's about it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.